Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We've got a 2016 Peterbilt 389 factory built glider kit day cab. It's got a pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit, 10 speed, full lockers, and a wet kit. I've got it hot this afternoon. I'm gonna do a full walk around for you. I'll show you oil pressure, blow by, and just a general walk around of the truck. Got a little over 700,000 total miles. Low side oil pressure is good. Super smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure jumps up like it's supposed to. Really like this truck overall as far as the cleanliness, and it is a Southern truck as well, so there's no rust anywhere. Don't have any major mechanical paperwork, but you can clearly see it's had a new head. Good look overall. A little rock thing there, stuff on this fender. Moderate blow by. Noticed on the front side of that step, which that could probably be worked out. Not a major ordeal. Back of the cab and frame all looks good. Good long air slide fifth wheel. It's got new rubber all the way around. All aluminums. Appreciate you guys watching. If you got questions on this one or anything else, definitely feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. Thank you.